Have you ever been there? You're deep into an Asana project, it's sprawling, it's beautiful, a digital masterpiece of tasks and subtasks and dependencies. And then, a little thought creeps in, a nagging whisper in the back of your mind. What if I could just download this? It's a completely reasonable question, right? You've poured so much effort into organizing everything. You've got deadlines, assigned team members, maybe even custom fields and attachments. This project isn't just a list. It's a living, breathing document of your team's work. And the idea of having a local copy, a tangible backup, or a way to share it with someone who isn't an Asana user seems incredibly appealing. But the reality of it can be a little murky. If you've ever looked for a download project button in Asana, you've probably come up short. So what's the deal? Can you actually download an Asana project, and if so, what does that even look like? That's what we're here to figure out today. We're going to dive into the different ways you can extract your project data from Asana, explore the pros and cons of each method, and ultimately, help you decide which approach is best for your specific needs. First things first, let's get the most common and direct method out of the way. And that is the export to CSV option. Now, you might be thinking, a CSV file? That's not a download of my project. That's just a spreadsheet. And in a way, you'd be right. It's not a complete, interactive replica of your project with all the bells and whistles. But it is an incredibly powerful and versatile way to get all of your project's core data out of Asana. To do this, you'll go to your project, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner, and select Export/Print, and then CSV. Asana will then generate a file for you that includes a ton of valuable information. You'll get the task name, who it's assigned to, the due date, the description, any comments, custom field values, and more. It's a goldmine of data, all neatly organized into columns and rows. Now, why would you do this? Well, the most common reason is for reporting and analysis. You can easily open this CSV file in Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel and start manipulating the data. You can create pivot tables to see which team members have the most tasks assigned, build charts to visualize project progress, or use it as a basis for a more detailed report for stakeholders. It's also great for archiving purposes or for migrating data to another platform. The big downside, of course, is that a CSV file loses all the rich formatting and dynamic features of an Asana project. You lose the subtasks, the task dependencies, the attachments, and the ability to mark tasks as complete with a satisfying click. It's a snapshot in time, a flat file of your project's data, not a living document. So, if a CSV file isn't quite what you're looking for, what's the next best thing? The next method involves a different kind of export, one that's a little less common but can be incredibly useful for a specific purpose. Printing. Yes, you can print your Asana project. Now, I know what you're thinking. Who still prints things in 2025? But hear me out. When you go to the same Export/Print menu and select Print, Asana generates a much more visually appealing and structured version of your project. It's essentially a web page that you can then save as a PDF. This PDF will retain the visual hierarchy of your project, showing sections and tasks in a clear, readable format. This method is fantastic for creating a polished, static document to share with people who don't have access to your Asana workspace. Think of it as a professional-looking project plan that you can email to a client or a manager who just needs a quick overview. It's also great for creating a physical backup or for taking meeting notes on a printed copy. The downside here is similar to the CSV. It's a static document. It's a one-and-done snapshot. You can't click on anything, and you lose all the real-time collaboration features. Okay, so we have the CSV for data analysis and the PDF for a visual summary. But what if you want something more? What if you want to back up everything, including the comments, the attachments, and the entire project history? This is where Asana's powerful but slightly more advanced features come into play. I'm talking about integrations and the Asana API. For most people, the simplest and most effective way to get a more comprehensive backup is to use a third-party integration. There are tools specifically designed to back up your Asana data, and they can often pull a lot more than just the basics. These services connect to your Asana account and regularly create backups of your entire workspace, including all of your projects, tasks, comments, and attachments. This is the closest you'll get to a true download everything button. It's the ultimate safety net for your data. The downside? These are often paid services, and they require a bit of setup. And then there's the Asana API. Now, this is for the truly tech-savvy among you. The API, or Application Programming Interface, is a way for different software to talk to each other. By using the Asana API, you can write your own scripts to pull out almost any piece of information from your projects. You could create a script that downloads all of the attachments, another one that archives all completed tasks, or even one that mirrors your projects in another tool. This is the most powerful and customizable method, but it requires coding knowledge and is definitely not for everyone. So, to circle back to our original question, can you download an Asana project? The answer is a little nuanced. There's no single download project button that gives you a fully interactive, offline version of your project. But you can absolutely download your project's data in several different ways, each with its own specific use case. You have the CSV file for robust data analysis and reporting. You have the PDF printout for a clean, visual summary to share with others. And you have third-party backup integrations and the Asana API for a comprehensive, automated backup of everything in your projects. By understanding these different methods, you can choose the right approach for your needs and ensure your valuable project data is always accessible, even outside of Asana. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.